Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI. I have an amazing way to bring a little light into your life. Look how cute these solar lights are. I absolutely love them. I think one of the things that I like most about them is how easy they were to put together. They came in a small little box and I didn't even need any tools to put them together. You simply twist the legs on and they're ready to go. They look beautiful in the day. They look beautiful in the night. I also love how long the charge holds. The solar light is on the top of them. I could place my hand on the top of them and they light up. And they go all night. So they just sit on my porch and get the solar light during the day, and then at night they light up and they're still lit in the morning when I wake up. So I love how long they last. I do have them on my back porch for now, but I'm not sold on exactly where I'm going to put them because they look adorable everywhere that I put them. A few more of my favorite things about them is I love the little plant stands. I love how durable they are. I could put a very hardy plant on this with no fear that it's going to fall. Look how nice they look at night outside my door. I also love that they're weather resistant. I've kept them outside in some pretty big thunderstorms and they don't go anywhere and they are still ready to go. So that's a really nice feature. So I absolutely love these little solar lights. I love the planters on the bottom. They have absolutely been everything that I wanted them to be. But that's just my point of view.